Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to day 2 of the bracket build. And we're already well into it here, so enjoy the rest of the video. We're going to wrap these brackets up and get them hooked up to the van. Side. Oh yeah. Hey buddy. And there we go. Bracket's gonna go like so. Well, this side's gonna be easy. I guess it would be almost damn near same actually. Alright. Looks like quarter 20, and that is the next mission. I gotta locate the bolts for those holes. They're somewhere in my house. Once I get the bolts in, I'll be able to indicate where it's gonna be. Then I gotta take the sucker apart. Well, actually no. Well, I do gotta locate the bolts for these. And then I'm gonna build the other bracket for this side, which I'm not going to film that because I'll just be repeating the process I did on this one. I thought it was going to be harder to find these screws. So I took this one, screwed it in, and that's going to help mark the spot where I'm going to need to drill the holes on this. But the good thing is that kind of gives me a point of reference to go ahead and line up this side, mark where this bracket's going to go in relationship to that hole. And I'm going to use the shorter one. I'm going to use the longer one in here, the shorter one over there. And the good thing is I can only go up this high, but I line this up like so, and that looks like I'm center, darn near center. I might need to stand up. Definitely I need to stand up. Oh yeah, I'm not center. But that works out. Let's make sure I'm all the way. I'm flush. Now I'm center. So this, I'm going to mark the center area. That preps me out to drill a hole probably about there. And I'll measure it a little more perfect, but that looks pretty centered to me. I'll be able to get my first hole drilled, and then I'll take the bracket, screw it to it, and then I can go back there and mark exactly where I need to put the hole on this side using that screw right there. Right on. But that will be after I build the other piece for that side, which there's the screw there. I found it. So I'll get the other bracket made, get it to the point of this one, and then I'll be able to start lining everything up, get it drilled out, and we'll have the safety brackets in, and this bed will not go anywhere. Or at least it won't go flying that way if we have to stop really fast. Right on. Because I don't want to drill through both those pieces of metal. Now I've already marked this side. All we gotta start doing is this. All right, through that. That was quick. That's one sharp ass bit. Here, put the bracket back on. Center it up. Mark it with the marker, just like so. Now we can take it in the shop and drill holes in there with the drill press. It'll be a lot more stable, less chance for it to walk off.
This take is never going to succeed. Here we go. Ready?
Juggling and trying to come back. Hippie trail and full of something. A magistrate lady, she made me nervous. She took me in and gave me breakfast. You come to land down under. And when you go with that jungle, can you hear the thunder? You better run, you better take cover. You better run, you better take cover. Man in Brussels, 6'4" and full of muscle. I said to the man, you speak my language? Well, he just smiled and gave me a benchmark. Said bitch, he said, you come from the land that I know.
Alright, moment of truth. Passenger side. Wee-haw. Alright. 1/4 inch, but we don't have any nuts. Got this whole shop. Ain't no dang 1/4 inch nuts around here. But hey, it works. Look at that. Isn't it going nowhere? It's shaking the whole van. Yeah. Cool. Alright, I'll find the rest of the hardware at the house. That's it. I'm going to repeat the process on the other side of the van.
You better take cover. You better take cover. You better take cover. You better run. You better take cover.
This bracket I had to make different. This side's a lot shorter because this bracket here is farther down than the other bracket on the other side, on the passenger side. that. Floor jack stuff. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. Floor jack tools right there. Can hang off the bottom of that. And this side's probably got enough room to lay the floor jack sideways right there. Maybe. I think that's a great idea. Alright, hopefully this is the last one. Like I said, I'm just going to do some finish up welding and melt it all, burn it in real good, make it super strong. That is about it. It's going absolutely nowhere. Alright, the only thing left to do now is to take it all apart. We're going to sand it down. And then we're going to paint it. And then put it away for storage. Yeah, I got a little surface rust up here. We'll get rid of that. That's about all she wrote, almost. We've got one more video, and that'll be sanding and painting it. Alright, thanks for watching. That was the bracket build. All finished. And as usual, until next time, later, y'all.